Hey guys! Today I'd like to share a pro tip of how to apply lashes. This lash is by the Kiss brand and the Muse collection. It's called Novus, hopefully I pronounced it correctly. And it's handmade with refined folk silk, and I am going to show you the secret. I just took the lashes out of the box, and next step I am going to apply the lash glue on the top of the lash line. So here's the glue. I am going to squeeze out a little and go over the top of the lash line. But instead of putting under, I'm actually putting on top of it. Let it sit and dry. It's very important to let the white color turn translucent. That means it's ready to be applied. While the lashes are dry, I am going to add some mascara to my lash. It helps the lashes to glue to it better and also help it connect with the lash flawlessly. So sometimes if I'm in a rush, I will wake them. That will help them dry faster. But you don't have to. Alright, we are going to go ahead and put it on my lashes where my lash and skin connects. So instead of on top of my lash, I'm putting it under. And let me explain why I am trying this tip. Because when you put it on top of your lashes, there's always a lash line that's pretty obvious. And I don't like the look of that, which is exactly why I'm introducing this new tip. I am done putting the second one. First impression, oh my god, they look so gorgeous. My lash feels like blended it right in with the fake lash, and I no longer feel that it looked like I have some fake lashes on. This is absolutely my new favorite way of applying fake lashes. And what do you guys think? I hope this is helpful, and I definitely want to give it a try. And once you try, comment to let me know what you think. I feel so extra beautiful with my perfectly glued lashes and ready for my day. Bye! Thank you for watching.